story. Starting off with these rolls, the seated variation is working for me, but the roll from horse is beating me over the head. I keep losing contact with the hoof with my anchor leg and slipping out, so my transition to the hip split is still messy. I rolled and rolled and rolled, but she is winning, not having this issue with the seated form. Still working out the beginning freestyle. I kept sliding out of the beauty roll today, so we're gonna skip on over that. See you last week for part 1. From the split, we added on a pike, front balance to what I am going to call a Y back bend or front bird's nest. Fold and roll to twisted gazelle into a back balance. Didn't nail going move to move, but we'll get there. Girl is tired. Bye.